hunting.
I can tell the difference in that when she normally plays. She's definitely in different mode right now.
Where is it though?
She's getting smelled.
There's not a lot of wind, so it's not.
Not a lot of wind, but she got.
She smelled it.
She smelled it.
Evie, come on, come on. Evie, come. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Evie, Evie, come.
He's looking for the wind.
Ah, gotcha.
He doesn't have a lot of wind over there in that part of the house. Yeah, I think the bird's over here.
I think so too.
Yeah, the wind's kind of coming over our back. Now, see, now she's picked up some scent. Yeah! Get it, 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 get it! Yeah! Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it! Good girl! That's exactly what you want to see her do.
Awesome.
She should find it again. Yeah, let her. She had to figure it out. I don't know where it was. They helped her out a little bit by getting on the side where they were going to pick up the wind. Now watch, she's going to find it again.
She is. She is a jumper.
She's going to be fun in the field. She figured that out right away. No, she didn't quite point it yet.
Yeah.
But eventually they learned that once they find it, if they point it, it's going to stay there.
Ah.
And they usually, little puppies, they can't usually stand it.
Right.
They got to point it. Think, I can't stand it anymore. I got to make it move. And they jump on it and it flies away. And then they run and chase it. That's fine. They can do that when they're puppies. When they're juniors, they can do that. But she will eventually learn that if I stand here long enough. So she's standing on it.
Oh, I think I see that tail wagging.
She just had to relocate it because there's not a lot of wind probably in that bottom. Let's walk down this hill.